Hello you all, it's Maaike and we're going to make this gorgeous shaker mini album. Let me tell you how and what I have used. It's made with the new Scrapdivadesigns die and it's called the Heart Disco Ball mini album. And yeah, it's my favorite. It's so beautiful. It's like 3D, it's gorgeous. And I made it into a shaker and that's what I'm going to show you how I did it. And I also want to show you this cherry piece, because in the new release there's also a cherry die, the cherry disco die, and that's this one. And it also comes with this gorgeous bow, and you can place it whatever you like, of course. And I have used this one for this embellishment, but instead of the cherries, because I already had yesterday my cherries, I have added these two heart shapes. And they are from last year, and also the Be Mine and the hugs are from last year. And it's from the word tag and from the suitcase die tag, and I will link it down. But here we go, because you're here for the tutorial, I think. Basically, this is it. This die contains 4 pieces. You've got the layering one, the base one, the top, the twist is this one, and you also got this really tiny one, oh so tiny it is, to make this a little hole. And I already have die cutted it and glued it together, and after placing these two on each other I've die cut it again because of the little hole. And I already have made this one. I thought, well, probably I don't need to explain, but otherwise please ask, it's really no difficulty for me. I've die cutted it and I've added plastic on the back. So yeah, that's it. Only taped it on the edges, on the rounds. So yeah, that was really simple. And now what we'll have to do, we are going to make a shaker, and therefore you can place some tin foam. And recently I am using this a lot. Normally I've used other kinds of foam, or there was so many to do. But since you are all really into the shaker videos I'm making, I thought, okay, I can make it easier. And now I have found those, and oh my gosh, it's so easy. Look, all you have to do is place this foam on the outer corner of this heart shape, and that's it. So basically anyone can do it. On my first video the heart was way smaller. Everybody was commenting, whoa, I'm mesmerized, how can you do it, it's so small, and you can shape with the foam. And well, it's just basically the foam is doing all the work. I'm just following the grid of this, the shape of this heart. So yeah, basically I am doing nothing, just placing it, and that's it. So I'm sure everyone is capable of doing it, and if it's not working the first time, then try it again and maybe again. And be aware, it really doesn't matter if it's not working the first time, because I'm crafting a lot. I'm crafting every day because it's my therapy. And so yeah, I get really used to it, but I'm sure you can get used to it as well. And you already can see this is, well, almost gone. It's losing it, so I'm going to rip it off. Yeah, so now I could stack it like this. Look already, oh, so good. But no, I'll have to place some sequins. And before adding this piece, you can take a look if it's neat. You can see over here there are small snippets maybe on the side, but basically it's something you hardly see. So I'm going to add this mix, and I've made it by myself. And you can place a good amount of it. And I know it costs money, so just do whatever you want, depending on the amount of sequins you want to use. And I also have got some of these small beads, so they are making it shaking. Whoa, that was a really weird sentence. But if you are adding a shaker to your paper, to the plastic, without any small beads, then then the shaker is not shaking well. So the beads make sure they are making it more shaker feeling. Wow, this is oh, I'm sorry. Well, I'm going to add this one, and now I see this one is a little bit so, and all you have to do is place it and what I'm doing now is, because sometimes the foam is getting out of it, maybe you even don't see it, but I am pushing it away. So look, isn't it super gorgeous? And right now I'm seeing there is a little bit of foam on the side, so this could have been a little bit better, but yeah, so you know, you have to watch for it. But look at this one, isn't it adorable? And it was such a quick made. I see on my camera it's 6.5 minutes, and from the 6.5 minutes I was also chatting about this mix. So yeah, it's super easy, and you can embellish it the way you want, of course. Yeah, look, it's fabulous. So tomorrow you can buy it, and I hope you love this tutorial. Please let me know, and see you the next time. Happy day. Bye bye.